you know that there was hair on the soap? Did you know it was hair? Hey, we on a train. Hair on the soap. Did you know that there was hair on the soap? Did you know? Did you know? It was like, did you know? Well, did you know? Did you know? So, hold it.
The next stop is San Pedro Station.
Move your feet off the speaker. So, like, we just got on the train and we don't have a freaking ticket. So the plan is, if we get caught, I'm gonna be like this. Where did you put our freaking tickets, Mika? It was just like in your pocket. Please don't take me off the ticket.
No, I'm gonna just faint like bitches.
And I'm a slapper. Wake up, you fucking bitch! You can't leave me on the train all alone.
Let's imitate it.
Wake up, you fucking bitch! Wake up, you fucking bitch! Wake up!
This stop is San Pedro Station. This stop is San Pedro Station.